bread, eggs, butter, mix right up. From here, add in batches to a preheated pan. Make sure to mix the bread up to ensure that it is fully soaked in the egg whites and whole. Add the butter to make it golden. From here, pay attention to the bread and keep flipping it with the spatula. This will ensure that it does not burn. Add the remaining egg mixture. Once again, flipping back and forth. From here, look to stack the bread up. And there you have it, a high protein meal to get your day up and running. That's right, protein for French toast is going to ensure that the hard work you are putting in the gym is going to be put to good use. So why not whip this up right now and feel the benefits.